Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube videos with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and start a new video project. Before creating the video, prepare your YouTube script. Make sure the introduction is engaging, the main information is clear, and the ending gives viewers a reason to keep watching or take action. Next, choose an AI avatar that fits your channel and video topic. Select a presenter with a professional appearance and a style that matches your audience. Add your script to the editor and choose an AI voice. Select the language, voice, and speaking style that best fit your content. Now customize your video. Choose a suitable background. Add headings, images, text, and other visual elements. You can also organize your content into different scenes to keep the video interesting. Make sure your important information is easy to see and the avatar is positioned properly on the screen. Before generating the video, preview the entire project. Check the voice, pronunciation, timing, avatar movements, text, and overall video layout.